Today we are making a delicious and creamy chicken handi without using cream. This recipe is simple, quick, and full of flavor. First, heat oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Now add ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until the raw smell goes away. Now add the chicken. Cook on high flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep stirring so the chicken cooks evenly. Add tomatoes, and all the spices. Mix well and cook until the oil separates. Now reduce the flame to low. Slowly add yogurt while mixing continuously. This helps to make a smooth, creamy gravy without curdling. Cook on medium flame until the gravy becomes thick and rich. Now add green chilies, fresh coriander, and a little garam masala. Your delicious chicken handi is now ready. Serve hot, with roti or naan. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.